Hello everyone, welcome back with FreeCAD Basic 3D Modeling tutorial for exercise number 40. Okay, here you can click create new drawings and I will change into part designs, click create body, create sketch, choose a front plane and click OK. Now I will draw simple objects with polyline tools. You can click these icons, polylines, and I will click start from origins. You can move to the top. Okay, we create this simple sketch with polyline tools. Okay, at this point, and the next you can connect into this origin point. So in it, if you want to set this line into vertical, you can use vertical constraints, and also you can use this horizontal constraint to set line into horizontal. I will make equal between line with this tool, this constraint. You can click this lines also in here, and we make equal again between these two line objects. Use this constraint to set distance between these 2 points. I will set into 65, and the next in here we can set into 40. Okay, these points we set into 25, and the next in here you can set into 40. Now you can set dimension this line objects. I will set into 420. And we set again this line objects 40. For this line object we set into 25. Okay, in this line we set 160, and for this line object we set 130. The last you can set this line objects, and I will set into 40. So we already create this simple sketch. You can click close, and to convert into 3D we can use revolution tools. You can click these icons, it will be automatically revolve these objects. Click OK to apply. Now I will select up this edge. We can fillet with a radius 10, and I will add more edge. You can click these tools, add, and I will select these edges and also in here, and you can click again add a buttons to show fillet in this object, and click OK to apply. Now I will save this object. You can click file, click save. You can save into part 1, click save. Next I will create again for part 2. You can click here create new drawings, and I will change into part designs. Now you can click create body. The next we can click into part. Okay, you can change into part, and we can use these geometric primitive tools. Change planes into helix, and now you can set for pitch in here. Like for the first I will set into 25, for height to 100, and for radius 50. Click create, it will be automatically create, and the second we set into 15. For height 30, click create twice, and we create again in here into 10. For height 10, click create twice. So you can close, and in model tabs we have these 4 helix objects. You can select helix once, right click and use transforms. We can move to the bottom here. For increment I will set into 5, and you can move until connect between these helix. So you can zoom in, it will be automatically connect in here. Click OK. We move again helix 2, click transforms, and you can move to the top. Okay, click OK. The next helix 3, we move to the bottom here. And the last helix 4, you can move to the top. Click OK, and you can select this all helix. Use this union command to combine or fusion these objects. You can click yes, it will be automatically fusion. The next you can change into part designs, and I will click at this point. Use new dentum plane with this point option, and click OK. Click OK again. Now you can click create sketch. Use this plan, click OK, and I will draw circles at this point. You can use these tools to set a reference edge. Okay, you can click at this point and create circle. We can set for radius in the circles into 5. Click OK, close. And now we can use sweep tools to convert these sketches and these circles into 3D. You can click this icon, sweep. For objects, you can select this helix. And you can see we have some problem in this section. So to fix this problem, you can change for orientation mode in here. So I will use a Frenet. It will be fixed. And you can click OK. Click yes. And we already create this spring object. The next in here I will save this file into part 2. Click save. Now you can insert part 1 into this part 2 files. You can click here and use A2 plus tools. You can click these plus icons to add parts, and I will add part 1. Click open. It will be automatically attached, and we can move. You can select this edge and also add this face. Don't forget to press Ctrl button to select multiple, and you can click this icon, so it will be automatically moved. You also can set for offset in here. We can set offset into 5. Click accept. Now the last, you can hide these fusion objects. Helix, you can click models. Click fusions and press space button to hide. You also can hide for dentum point to be automatically hide. Okay, now we already create this simple 3D model for exercise number 40 with the FreeCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.